Hey loves, it's your girl Lovely Angel Lady, L to the A to the L. I would like to start off by thanking Sam's Beauty for making this video possible. They sent this chica over to us. Today we are taking a look at Outre's Perfect Hairline Patrice. So I'm going to show y'all this is how she comes packaged and fresh out of the box. I have Patrice in a DR2 ginger brown. But she comes with all the cardboard and the netting and all that stuff. But this is what she looks like in the front. She has a perfect hairline. Now this is underneath the cap. She does have a 13-inch by 4-inch faux scalp parting area. We're putting this sis on and you can kind of see the hairline, so I'm making sure I push the wig cap back some. That way it looks more natural and is closer to my hairline. Kind of mimics that, if it makes sense. We're going to use this 5-level hold from Tresemme and just spray that around the hairline. And I'm not going to let it dry all the way because I do still need to go in. I'm going to go in a little bit with some Gotta Be Glued styling gel. But yeah, I'm just trying to do this so that I could get the lace cut and it's not like sliding all over my head because I did not insert the combs. But I'm just using a brow razor and I'm removing the lace in a zigzag motion so that it's kind of natural looking and not straight across, loves. And she's sort of in between on the texture. She's not really kinky textured, but she's not super silky. But now is where I'm going in with that Gotta Be Glued just around the hairline. Just a little bit. That's why I'm using the little spatula. And then I'm just pressing with the comb so that the oils from my fingers don't cause it to lift up too much, you know. But I just want a gentle hold, just something that looks natural, because I will be styling this chica for y'all, just to show y'all different looks and so forth, so y'all can see that she's pretty flexible in terms of her full scalp and all that. But we're gonna start off and I'm just gonna show y'all a side part. We're gonna rock a side part first. So that's how your girl is styling her. And now I'm gonna go in with Bobo's Remy. It is wig conditioning spray, pretty much, and that just really helps kind of give the hair a natural looking sheen, and it makes it feel more natural and not plasticky. But this is my TG Bedhead styling wax stick, and that's just to lay the flyaways down. So now we're going in and we're going to use some edge control. I gotta trim those little baby hairs a little bit, y'all, and we're gonna do our grown woman swoops because that's what we do up over here. Our grown woman swoops. But as you can see, she's pretty, so far, straightforward. I wouldn't say she's super beginner friendly because you do need to do, you know, kind of bolt her down a little bit because the lace is soft. But this is the side part, y'all, how sis is looking with the side part. And we're going to put some makeup in that part just to define it a little bit more. I'm using this Kiss foundation. But yeah, she's cute like this. What y'all think? That's the back. Just showing y'all her all the way around. And this is sis on the model and on your girl. And you can see the different colors that she comes in. And now we have her styled up in a little updo, y'all. I did that off camera, but just showing y'all the 3 different styles, and those are the ones that I showed y'all as well, that I demonstrated, okay? Okkkur. But she has really good density. Cap size is pretty big head friendly. But please do subscribe, my loves. I hope you found this video helpful. Join the fam. I am going to leave y'all with some pics. Please go follow your girl on Instagram. Comment below and thumbs up as well, my loves. Later, mis amores. Y'all have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.
When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward.